Wax dyeing is a traditional dyeing technique among the ethnic groups in southwest China's Beizhou province. The ancient craft is not just a simple technique, but also embodies rich cultural heritage.
蜡染就是我们侗族的一种传统的一种手工艺，我们用蜡笔画好过后，就拿去染，再拿去把蜡脱蜡，蜡染就这样做出来了。蜡染呢非常有意义，非常好，我们要传承下去，要把它推出国门。
现在交通方便了，游客来的也多了，我们这些产品卖的也多，销售的也多。
The village is really nice. The clothes, there's a lot of details, a lot of colors.